So the previous video that I had, I showed you what were the requirements to make these things. Now I will show you in this video how to make do the basic cutting, the first step of it. So take one of the printouts which is on a 180 GSM paper with your knife and with your tool, which is the scale. You will have to start cutting the bricks that you see, the bricks which is here, basically things that you want a little embossed on your thing. You have to cut them all. So you can start cutting it like this. I can just show you. This is a little heavy GSM, so probably you might have to cut a little more, maybe 2-3 times. So once you have this in your hand, I'll just show you so you understand how to cut it, and then we are going to emboss it over here like this. If you can see it, you're going to emboss it here, and that's the reason you will have to cut all the pieces of this whatever you want to emboss. You will have to cut it one by one. I will show you. I have already cut a few of them. Suppose this is the background, so you can keep it over here. These are some things for here. This is again for the bottom. This is for the window over here. So you can start cutting like this. I have also cut this, few things over here. So you have to basically cut all of the things that you want to emboss and keep it. I have cut all of mine. So in the next video I will show you how we will have to color it.